Jets proudly presents the CJ2 from Cessna, serial number 200. The CJ2 is a masterful blend of performance, capability, and efficiency. The two Williams FJ44 2C turbofan engines each deliver 2,400 pounds of thrust on takeoff, giving you a direct climb to flight level 370 in 17 minutes, a maximum ceiling of flight level 450, and a high-speed cruise of 407 knots. Serial number 200 features a new interior as of 2014, including new leather, carpet, cabinetry, and hardware. The avionics panel features a 3-screen Collins ProLine 21 system with dual Garmin GNS 530 GPSs. The aircraft is fully enrolled in Williams' TAP Blue engine program and Cessna's Pro Parts. CJ2 from Cessna, serial number 200. Soul Jets, freedom, adventure, delivered.